I don't know about you, but I definitely do not consider myself a very handy person. For some assembly projects, I get anxious just at the thought of something potentially going wrong. Well, in the case of assembling the Boost Industries FS-OD55C desk, you can throw those thoughts out the window. In this video, and in only 6 easy steps, we will show you how easy it is to assemble the FS-OD55C. Here we go! There you have it! The assembly is now complete. You can now enjoy your sit-to-stand desk. Available online at AVGearShop.com.